Hi, this is Ashish Bhasin, CEO APAC and Chairman India for the Densu Aegis Network. I want to take this opportunity to thank all the doctors, the nurses, the medical professionals, the security staff, the cleaning helpers, everybody, media personnel, people who are helping with the essential goods supply, everybody who is helping trying to keep things moving at this time of crisis. We have to do our bit, and that's really very simple. Stay at home. Jai Hind.
I am Anand Bhadkamkar, CEO of Densu Aegis Network. Currently, we are facing unprecedented situation due to the corona pandemic. Because of this pandemic, the government in the country has announced lockdown till 14th of April at present. During these difficult times, there are a few brave hearts who go out every day to ensure that our basic necessities are met. I want to thank from the bottom of my heart all those essential services providers such as doctors, nurses, the police, the sanitation workers, even the delivery boys and the online or our nearby grocery stores. What we can do during these times is not to let their efforts go waste. Please stay at home and abide by and diligently follow the lockdown rules as announced by the government. Please, I urge you, stay at home, do not go out and stay safe. Together, we can beat this coronavirus.
Hi, I'm Dilip Cherian, Chairman of Perfect Relations. The coronavirus outbreak that we are trying to control requires each of us to help. We only have to stay indoors and stay isolated. We need to thank those at the front line, like the doctors, nurses, other support staff of hospitals, policemen, essential service workers, and a whole host of others who deserve our thanks for making our lives comfortable while we are still inside and safe.
Hi everyone, my name is Vivek Bhargav. I'm the CEO of Dan Performance Group. Today we are in very, very tough times. I know we are all frustrated being at home, but we have to just think and thank all the people who are risking their life to keep us safe. Doctors, nurses, medical staff, sanitation workers, police, a lot of people who are manufacturing essential commodities and delivering essential commodities. The least we can do for them is to make sure that we follow the lockdown to the T and make sure we don't step out of our houses. I recommend you guys, please be safe. Think of all the people who are contributing to keeping us safe and make sure that we follow the lockdown to the T. Thanking you, my friends. Bye.
I'd like to place on record our very, very sincere appreciation and thanks to all of the folks who are at the front line at this time of COVID-19. Our thanks to our doctors, to our nurses, to the police folk, to all our other friends who are delivering the essentials to us. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I also want to send out a message to all of us out there. While the front line are doing their job, we need to support them by staying indoor, by respecting the diktat from the government. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Hi everyone, this is Kumar Dev Sinha from Densu Aegis Network. While we complete our 2 weeks of lockdown, I wanted to start off by thanking my brothers and sisters from the bottom of my heart who are involved in providing us all essential services. Truly, they are the superheroes who are working round the clock while we stay safe inside. We really owe you. While we have completed the 2 weeks, I believe the most challenging 2 weeks starts now. And I urge each one of us not to step out of our home unless it's absolutely necessary. If we have to step out, we should always wear masks and cooperate with the authorities. These are unprecedented times and we are all in it together. I am absolutely sure that we will emerge stronger together. Stay indoors, stay positive, stay safe and stay strong.
Hi, I'm Amit Wadhwa. I head Densu Impact. I would like to send a message out there to all the brave hearts, the doctors, the nurses, the police, sanitation workers, delivery boys, everyone out there who's making sure that we are safe and comfortable at home. The least we can do to honor their sacrifice is to actually stay at home and be safe. The next couple of weeks are going to be extremely critical. Let's make sure all this hard work does not go to waste. Please stay at home, stay safe, and exercise some restraint. Take care.
Hi guys, this is Tanay here from Fractal Link. I am currently the CEO and the Chief Creative Officer for Fractal Link. I'm quite thankful that in the current trying times, people have come out and kind of really shown all their support to contain this deadly disease which is spread around. I'm also kind of quite thankful to the emergency services, which has been really doing a phenomenal job, be it doctors, the BMC workers, the commercial vehicle operators. I think they have done a phenomenal job in keeping our lives to be as normal as possible and bringing us the most essential of services right at our doorstep. So I think I'm very thankful to them. Also, I would recommend that people should actually respect the social distancing and kind of really make sure that they are equally participants in containing this disease. So please don't kind of really try venturing out unnecessarily out of your house. Try to kind of really make sure that you and your family is safe from everything around. Thank you very much, and wishing you all a very, very safe kind of really sail through from this.
Hi, I'm Fabian Cowan. I work with Postscope India, which is part of the Densu Aegis network. Had we ever thought that we'll be experiencing times like this? I'm sure we didn't, and I've never imagined something like this. While we all work from home, it is really commendable to see people working in the essential services, the police, the nurses, the doctors, the sanitation workers who are risking their lives to help keep the city clean. The next 2 weeks are going to be really crucial, and we feel that we should all respect the lockdown, stay home and stay safe.
Hi, this is Titus Upaturu, National Creative Director, Densu One, Creative Head Taproot Densu, Gurgaon. This is so appalling to hear that there is a huge rise in violence against children and women during this lockdown period. It's frustrating, I'm sure, to stay at home for days on end without any hope, but I humbly request you to please stay calm and be peaceful. And if you hear of any kind of violence against women, please report. Let's call up and inquire of the well-being of our sisters and mothers, nephews and nieces, and let's all stay calm and stay peaceful, stay at home, and I'm sure this is just a phase. This too shall pass.
Hi everyone, my name is PG Aditya. I'm the National Creative Director at Densu Web Chutney. I'm sure like so many of you, all of us at Web Chutney have been working from home ever since the COVID crisis hit our part of the world. Now it goes without saying that while our industry is definitely facing challenging times, while our people are facing challenging times, these are by no means comparable to the challenges faced by the heroes of this crisis overall. People in the healthcare industry, especially sanitation workers, delivery executives, so many more, and those who basically need to be on the move every day so that the rest of us can stay safe indoors and work from home and essentially stay put. I'm sure the claustrophobia of working from home can get to a lot of us, especially creative people, but I guess it's important to remember that we will come out of this. It's only a matter of time. We're living in interesting, challenging times, and there will be an opportunity for advertising to help the world adjust to the new normal that will emerge out of this. And until then, I guess the biggest favor that we can do ourselves is to keep a calm head, to take care of ourselves both physically and mentally, and most importantly to stay safe and stay indoors.
I'm Indrajit Mukherjee from Densu India. Firstly, a big thank you to all of you for following the law and for staying at home. The next few weeks are going to be even more crucial because we need to stay home for the next 2 weeks. 2 weeks is very little time when you look at things. At this point in time, it's important for you to be safe for yourself, your family, and the community. And a word of gratitude to all the people who are in the front line, who are taking care of us so that we can be safe, putting their lives at stake. Stay at home, stay safe.
I'm Sahil Arora. I head Indeed, which is a CSR consulting arm of Densu Aegis Network. As we all are aware, our country is in a state of despair due to the outbreak of COVID-19. Our responsible authorities are working endlessly to make the situation better, and we should be grateful to our heroes who have come forward in the form of doctors, nurses, paramedics, and police personnel who are operating selflessly for us to be safeguarded at our homes. As responsible citizens, it is imperative for us to stick to our places and help the government curb this problem. I would also like to thank our corporate organizations who have come forward in this bad situation to help the government by providing all sorts of help in the form of medical equipment, operating shelter homes, providing food to the needy, and ensuring that migrant workers get a normal base of life at this point in time. Thank you.